Welcome back to Learning Point with DK. And today, once again, we are going to deal with 30 MCQ of Class 10 board based questions. And let's start. With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers, draped in a curtain of rain. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. These truly did resemble new silver coins. The boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearls. It's really getting bad now, exclaimed the man. I hope it passes quickly. It did not pass quickly. For an hour, the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. The field was white, as if covered with salt. So, question number one. The frozen pearls in the passage are silver coins. Then, next question we have. The hail rained for an hour. In the passage, he refers to Lancho. Dash truly resembled new silver coins, that is, hailstones. The word draped means covered. Now we have the next stanza, sorry, passage or paragraph. He felt certain that his wings would never support him. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. Even when each of his brothers and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings, and flew away, he failed to muster up courage to take that plunge which appeared to him so desperate. Question now. The young seagull ran back because he felt certain that his wings would never support him. Then the wings of his little sister were shorter than his wings. The seagull's brother and sister had already learnt to fly. Who is the author? Liam Flaherty is the author. The word plunge means jump. Now we see this. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Now we have here question. Choose the correct statement about the given poem. We have here fire and ice are elements not of nature but man made and possess the ability to create havoc for mankind. Then, next question we have the fire in the given stanza means desire. Fire means here desire in the given stanza. Next, what is the rhyme scheme of the stanza? That is A B A A. That is C. The poet thinks that the world will end because desire. Because of desire, the world will end, according to the poet. The poem is a dash put across by the poet. Powerful warning. The poem is a powerful warning put across by the poet. Next, see paragraph. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain he was so listless, Mr. Harriot. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition, so I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up, some malt and cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks, and at night to make him sleep. Nothing much, really. His he in the given extract is tricky. He was supposed to be suffering from malnutrition. Mr. Harriot was a veterinary surgeon. Who is the author? James Harriot. The word hastened means hurried. Where was Lancho's house situated? On the top of a low hill. So answer will be B, top of a hill. What began Mandela's hunger for freedom? The fact that it had already been taken away from him. So it here refers to freedom, and the fact that the freedom had already been taken away from Nelson Mandela. So answer will be option number A. Who is the author of From the Diary of Anne Frank? Anne Frank, she is herself the author of this chapter from the Diary of Anne Frank. Who is the author of Black Aeroplane? Frederick Forsyth. He is the author of Black Aeroplane. Then, the world is full of desire and hatred. Where does Wanda sit in the classroom? End corner. The poem draws a contrast between tiger in a zoo, tiger in a forest. Next, what was the dog unable to play? So, the dog was not able to do anything, whether it is ring throw, walk, hide and seek. So, answer will be D, all of these. What does dust of snow represent? Healing power of nature. What suggests that Griffin was a homeless wanderer? The answer will be D, all of these. So, I hope this will be helpful for all my students and they will have colorful and very much successful exams.